Here's the trap. Some items have sales tax, some other items like service or labor don't, and some products might have a different sales tax rate altogether. So let me show you how to cleanly record each transaction without driving yourself crazy. Income tab of my business bookkeeping spreadsheet. As you can see, each transaction gets entered in its own row, and each transaction can have its own sales tax. For example, it's 5% here, 7% here, and no sales tax over here. Let's go ahead and enter a transaction. Let's enter a date, say Jan 15th. Let's say it was for your website and we had income of 5,000. Let's say there was a sales tax of 7%. Enter that and it automatically gets calculated for you over here. You can go ahead and add product ID, description and notes over here if you like. You also get to see your totals up on top over here: income, sales tax, total income. And the dashboard gives you a breakdown of your income, expenses, net profit on a monthly and annual basis. And you also get to see a breakdown by each income and expense category. If you would like this easy-to-use business bookkeeping spreadsheet, grab it at the link below and save yourself a few gray hairs.